How to earn money every day with these 4 tips. Passive income, freelancing, selling products, becoming a content creator, alarm clock blaring, commute drudgery, corporate coffee machine blues. Ditch the yawn and step into a world where daily income dances to your beat. No, this isn't a lottery ad. It's a reality check for anyone tired of playing by someone else's rules. Today, we unlock the vault of daily earning secrets, 4 keys that'll have your bank account doing the victory lap. So tighten your hustle belts because financial freedom is about to become your BFF. Ready to trade spreadsheets for sunshine? Let's roll. 1. Passive income, cash on cruise control. Imagine waking up to the sweet symphony of cha-chings in your bank account, deposited by the digital elves while you snoozed. Sounds like a fantasy reserved for trust fund babies, right? Wrong. Passive income streams are the ultimate money-making marathon, generating revenue even when you're sipping margaritas on a beach, figuratively, of course. Think ebooks you wrote once but keep selling forever, online courses packed with your genius, or even renting out that unused yoga mat on Airbnb. These are just a taste of the passive income buffet, each bite building your financial fortress brick by digital brick. 2. Freelancing. Unleash your unicorn skills. Slay high-paying gigs. Got mad writing skills that make Shakespeare swoon? Design chops that leave Picasso speechless? Coding fingers that dance on the keyboard like Rachmaninoff's ghost? Unleash your inner unicorn on the wild frontier of freelancing. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr are bustling bazaars filled with clients begging for your magic touch. Set your own rates, ditch the fluorescent lights, and turn your kitchen table into your throne. Remember, your resume is your war cry, your portfolio your weapon. Polish them to perfection and prepare to conquer the freelancing jungle. 3. Selling products. From hobbyist to mogul. Remember that dusty box of your grandma's handmade scarves, or the secret sourdough starter bubbling in your fridge. It's time to turn those hidden gems into gold. The internet is your personal Etsy emporium, waiting to showcase your creations to the world. Design t-shirts that express your soul, whip up cookies that redefine deliciousness, or craft jewelry that tells a story. Branding is your secret weapon. Build a community around your passion, let your personality shine, and watch your customer base transform into a loyal fan club. Soon, you'll be a one-person empire, leaving the corporate ladder in the dust like a discarded flip-flop. 4. Content creation. Captivate, connect, and cash in. Got a voice that could melt glaciers? A wit sharper than a samurai sword? Or culinary skills that make Gordon Ramsay weep with envy? Then the content creation arena awaits your grand entrance. Build a blog that's your digital soapbox, fire up a YouTube channel that's your personal late-night talk show, or unleash your inner wordsmith on Instagram. Share your knowledge, make people laugh until they snort milk, and watch the sponsorships, ad revenue, and brand collaborations roll in like a tidal wave of cash. Remember, consistency is your crown jewel. Keep churning out quality content, engage with your audience like they're your best friends, and watch your online kingdom rise like a phoenix from the ashes of boredom. Remember, your network is your net. Cast it wide and reel in the opportunities. Build a bulletproof portfolio. Showcase your skills like a museum displays its prize collection. Create a stunning portfolio that highlights your best work, complete with testimonials and glowing client reviews. Make it irresistible, and clients will be begging to hire you. From hobbyist to mogul, subscription box bonanza. Craft curated boxes of joy around your passion. Whether it's beauty products, stationery surprises, or DIY craft kits, fill them with unique goodies and send them on monthly adventures to your subscribers. Remember, personalization is key. Make each box feel like a bespoke gift. Dropshipping dynamite. Skip the inventory headache. Partner with dropshipping suppliers who store and ship your products directly to customers. You focus on marketing and branding while they handle the logistics. It's like having a magic genie who fulfills your orders with a snap. Print-on-demand powerhouse. Unleash your inner artist. Design t-shirts, phone cases, or mugs that express your unique style, and let print-on-demand companies handle the production and fulfillment. You create, they print, everyone wins. There you have it, folks. 4 keys to unlock the daily earnings vault, each one more powerful than the last. Remember, financial freedom isn't a lottery ticket. It's a deliberate choice. Choose to hustle, choose to create, choose to be your own boss. And hey, while you're building your dream life, hit that subscribe button like it's the last slice of cake. Your future self, with a fatter bank account and a sun-kissed tan, will thank you. Now go forth and conquer. The world is your oyster, and your bank account is about to get seriously pearl-encrusted. P.S. Want even more money-making magic? Subscribe and I'll spill all the juicy secrets. Trust me, it's gonna be epic.